So one cool thing that we recently added is called link traffic. And what
Mm-hmm.
this does, I don't know, great, this is actually a great example.
Mm-hmm.
So this hammer, as you will know and your audience knows, you're savvy in the affiliate space.
Mm-hmm.
So, Amazon Associates program, like you will have affiliates that will go out and just drive traffic to random products. But sometimes these brands will go after these sites and get them to drive traffic to their listings. So in this case, we have this hammer right here. Our hammer was, what's this brand again? Mr. Pen, which
Mm-hmm.
is like this, I guess it's like a miniature hammer. And the cool thing is they have a lot of affiliate sites. These are going to be blogs or just like review sites, things like that. We have 47 that we identified. Multiple have multiple links driving traffic back to Amazon directly to this ASIN. So how do I use this? Well, if I'm competing with this product, I want the same. So I can basically pull this list down and reach out or have a VA go ahead and reach out to every single one of these sites and entice them, or you can even collaborate with, you could use a tool like Levanta to offer them custom deals, but you want you also want these sites sending traffics to your ASIN. And also, again, we had been on the product itself and we found relevant products. I'm going to go through every one of these other hammers in this case, and I'm going to find if they have other sites that are sending them
Mm.
traffic. And so I'm going to go through all my competitors. Like this one only's got two. But the key is, there's various ways to win, and external traffic is a big factor in that.